a solo parent and hardworking mom. One night, that's all it took. One night with a Filipina he met through social media, and this partner decided he'd never date another one again. What went wrong? Was it him? Was it her? Or is social media secretly reshaping the dating culture in the Philippines? In this episode, let's talk about how a single night mixed with Instagram, TikTok, and too much validation can destroy the hopes of genuine cross-cultural love. If you are new here to my channel, go ahead and hit that like button because today's topic might shock you. We are going deep into why so many foreigners are walking away after a single encounter with a social media Filipina. Before anyone takes this the wrong way, this isn't a hit piece. It's an honest conversation about what's happening in today's modern dating scene. Social media changed the entire landscape of dating. It turned ordinary people into brands and relationships into marketing moments. Many Filipinas on social media don't even realize they are performing. Every post, every filter, every good morning selfie is part of an image. Foreigners step into that world expecting a woman, but they meet an algorithm instead. A foreign guy scrolling through Facebook or TikTok sees a Filipino with 10K followers posting dance clips and goodnight selfies. He thinks she's real, but the truth is that he is entering a competition, not a connection. So let's talk about that one night. The night that changes everything. A foreigner files in. They have been chatting for months. She's sweet online, funny in chat, full of emojis and affection. But when they finally meet, something feels off. She's glued to her phone. She documents everything. The dinner, the drinks, even the first kiss becomes content. He realizes this isn't intimacy, it's exposure. After that one night, he feels more like a camera prop than a partner. He checks his social media the next morning and sees their photo already uploaded, with a caption like, "Thanks for the treat, foreign friend." This is where the damage begins. Foreigners start to associate Filipinas with performance, not personality. They come looking for connection, but leave feeling like customers. This isn't just his fault. Social media has trained both sides to perform, not relate. Filipinas start thinking every foreigner is content too, an opportunity for views, validation, or sponsorship. That one night, that one misunderstanding, trust is broken. He doesn't go back. He tells his friends, "Don't do it. They are all the same." Just like that, future relationships get cancelled before they begin. Here's the saddest part: the real Filipinas, the ones who are humble, sincere, and not glued to a ring light. They are the ones who get hurt by this stereotype. They message foreigners genuinely, but now he's guarded, he's cold. He's suspicious because of that one social media Filipina who turned a date into a video reel. So what happens? The foreigners retreat. The real Filipinas get ignored, and everyone loses. Many foreigners who go through this once learn their lesson fast. They start setting boundaries. No phones during dinner, no posting our pictures without permission, no TikTok dates, no meeting unless we video called properly first. These rules, while protective, also make things colder, less natural, less romantic. But in today's digital world, you almost have to protect your heart like your password. Basically, after one night with a social media Filipina, a foreigner might not hate the Philippines, but he will rethink everything. He will rethink love, trust, and how deep connections really are when everything's lived through a screen. Social media isn't the enemy performing for it is. And until both sides learn to separate real love from online validation, heartbreak will keep trending. If you are a foreigner watching this, remember, not every Filipina is like that. But choose carefully because the internet can make anyone look perfect. And if you are a Filipino watching this, remember, the camera can capture sincerity, but your actions can. Stay wise, stay grounded, and remember, what's real doesn't need Wi Fi. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. I'm now solo parent and hardworking mom. See you next episode.